Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the spelling check on your iPhone keyboard so that you can get some help for your text with other language. So here let's just check about my keyboard. Here I would like to use this Apple Notes and just creating the new notes, and here I would like to just try to type some words that I don't really confident about the spelling, but then I have no idea what I have to do, right? So here we need to activate the spelling check. How to do that? Just go back into your home screen, open your settings, and right after that just scrolling down until you found the general and just go click it. Now you need to scrolling down again until you found the keyboard. Whenever you've got the keyboard, just need to go click it, and right away please take a look on this third box. There will be several informations that you can set for on or off. So here, since we want to activate this spelling check, here is the third before the last of the box. There will be like check spelling, so you just need to go click it to turn on the spelling check. And the next thing you need to do, you can also get the help for predictive text too, so you just need to go click turn it on. Now you just need to go back home. The next thing you need to do is go back into your notes, and let's say either this is just correct spelling or not. You'll see there will be recommendations down here, so you just need to pick this one because the correct spelling is this that shown on the screen. So here is before and here is after. So that is the way how to activate this spelling check on a iPhone keyboard. Hopefully this tutorial today is really helpful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, and I will let you see you for the next tutorial.